Hey guys, we're at the Ford factory in Geelong here. We've got a bit of a club do with the Northern Girl Car Club. We've got some of our cars parked inside, and this is also in conjunction with a couple of other clubs as well. So we're at the GT Club and the Mustang Cruisers as well. We'll have a bit of a walk through. I'll show you some of the cars that are parked here, a little bit of a setup outside. We've got our cars on the inside too. We're kind of spread out here, there and everywhere. But I'll flip the camera around and you can kind of see who's here, what cars are here, and a little bit of the interior of what's left of the Ford factory in Geelong. So these are the buildings on the outside, just in one of the sections here. The place here is massive. So I'll do a bit of a walk through, see some of the cars that are here. Say hello to some of our club members as well. So this is actually a private event, guys, so it's an invitation only event. Some of the stuff that we do with our car club.
This is what I'm doing.
So kind of got all the Fords parked on the outside. Some Fords inside, all the Mustangs are on the inside. And a sprinkling of everything else inside as well. Bit of a sausage sizzle happening, some coffee. Alright, we'll head inside. Just do a bit of a quick walk around. Hey Phil. Alright, we'll do a bit of a walk through the rows here. So this is the inside of one of the factories. So this factory is about 10,000 square metres. Pretty good turnout today, which is good. It's good to see a lot of the club members that have come out today. It was a bit of an early start. I think we met up at about 6 o'clock this morning. So we've kind of put them in little sections. So this is all the Mustang crew line up. How are we going? All right. So yeah, we did our first meet this morning at about 6. We left at about 1:15. Met up with everyone else from BP and Little River. Cruised down. Dodged the rush for the air show. So we missed all the traffic there, which is good. So I'll come up this way here. Looks like we've got some of our guys positioning their cars for some really nice photo ops. Got Ray there with his custom car there. Say hi! Looks like you're nice and comfortable. There's Adele. All right, that's Adele's muzzy there. We're going to have a bit more of a closer look. We've got Greg here as well. So if you look up Caprice Photography on Facebook, Greg will show you some of his work. We'll start at the end here. We'll walk our way down. How you going, boys? Good. So Northern Gale Car Club, it's a bit of everything, not just one type of car. It's more about the people. Get out, get involved, have a bit of fun, socialise with everyone. Hey, kumpar, come sta passi? Hey! This is Dale's muzzy, this is Pete's car, everyone knows Pete's car. Races it in Calder. It's a pink beast. Let's pop over here. Actually, this has got raised beasts. So Ray does all of his own work. He's built quite a few cars over the years. Did you make it?
Hey?
You make it to the toilet?
Yeah, mate. Thank you. Yeah.
Alright, might go in the front, I think. Got Chad here as well today. How we going? Hello. How we going? It's actually Gail's car. It was actually her parents' car. It's redone it a little bit, but pretty much original. That's Corinne's. So it's so good to see a lot of the members out today. We all cruised in together, which is a bit of fun on the freeway. How are we going? Alright guys, so we're at the Ford Factory in Geelong for a private, exclusive, invitation-only event in conjunction with a couple of the other clubs as well. So at least got to see a little bit of what is left so far of Ford Factory in Geelong. It's getting redeveloped at the moment, so they've let us into this area that hasn't been started yet. So it should be really good when they're done. They've got some big plans for it. So a piece of history that we kind of got to experience before they kind of modernise it. So yeah, we've got a few photographers out today, which is good. So just keep an eye on their pages. So we've got Chad, Pics by Chado. Pick him up on Facebook. There's his logo there and his t-shirt. I'm going to follow him around a little bit. We've got Road Trip. We've got Greg from Caprice Photography as well. So we might have a walk around later, some of the other buildings outside. All right, guys, might do another feed a little bit later on. Catch you then.